morning children. I am going to take math subject for second standard term 3 portion children. Now I am going to take unit 3 measurement. Measurement means what ma? Do you know? நம்ம ஏதாவது ஒரு திங்ஸை வந்து நம்ம மெஷர் பண்ணுவோம், வெயிட் பார்ப்போம்ல, இது இந்த வெயிட் ஜாஸ்தியாக இருக்குது, இந்த வெயிட் கம்மியாக இருக்குது. இப்போ we are going to weight tomato means tomato will buy for 1 kg or 2 kg. அதுக்கு நம்ம மெஷர்மெண்ட் வேணும், எவ்வளோ தக்காளி நம்ம வாங்கணும். if you are going to shop means how much we have to buy. then we will say 1 kg, 1 கிலோ தக்காளி சொல்லுவோம், 1 kg of tomato. then rice bag, அதெல்லாம் some measurement is there, that is called அளவு இருக்குது, ஒன்றுத்துக்கு ஒரு அளவு இருக்குது. இப்போ rice bag means 25 kg or 50 kg, so that is called measurement. See here, they are given a small story here, page number 26. Page number 26. Tenali Raman and 2 villagers went to a town to visit their king. They want to give some gift to him. Heavy, light. Heavy means weight. Light means weight kammiya. Light weight. Heavy, light. Tenali Rama and 2 villagers, அவங்க ஊர்க்காரங்க 2 பேர் போயிருக்காங்க to visit king, ராஜாவை பார்க்கறதுக்காக போகிறாங்க. they took some gift with them. in 3 bags they took gift. 3 of them carried some gift. come, let's take the luggage. see here, 3 luggage is there. gift for king 2 and 1 for their lunch. they have to eat no on the way, for that they are having 1 bag for lunch. come, let's take the luggage. Tenali Rama is saying, who will take this big luggage? இந்த பெரிய லக்கேஜ் யார் எடுத்துப்பாங்கன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. another man is asking. I will take, Tenali Rama is saying, I will take the big luggage, he is saying. Tenali, why do you select this big one? Another person is asking, எதுக்கு நீ இந்த வெயிட்டாக இருக்கிற லக்கேஜ் எடுத்துக்கிட்டேன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. நோ ப்ராப்ளம், அவன் என்ன சொல்கிறாரு, நோ ப்ராப்ளம், நான் தூக்கிட்டு வரேன், பரவாயில்ல, எனக்கு ஒன்றும் வெயிட்டாக இல்லைன்னு சொல்கிறாரு. தென் ஆல் ஆஃப் தெம் ஆர் டேக்கிங் ஃபுட் ஃப்ரம் the big bag. தெனாலி ராமா கிட்ட இருக்கல பிக் பேகு, அந்த பிக் பேக் வந்து எல்லாரும் ஃபுட்டு சாப்பிட்டாங்க அந்த வேலை. அப்போ அந்த வேலை ஃபுட் சாப்பிட்டோன்னா என்ன ஆகிடுது, they are continuing their journey. wow, Tenali, where is your bag? another man is asking, wow, Tenali, where is your bag? asking. it became empty, now I am free. that food bag, they all ate the food and the bag has become empty, so I am now free. Tenali Rama is saying, see there, 3 persons. The center man is Tenali Rama. He is carrying this big luggage, Tenali Rama. See here, the other man are carrying the gift to the king. See here, on the way they are eating the big bag. Okay, in that food is there. 3 of them ate and finished that bag. Now the bag is empty. Then Tenali Rama is free now from the luggage. Other 2 persons are carrying their luggage. This is a small story to compare the weight. Who is having the more weight. So these persons are having more weight. Now Tenali Rama's luggage is empty. See here, blow and observe. Page number 27. Blow and observe. See here, on a table, bird's feathers are kept. Then nail cutter is kept. Then key is there. Okay, a boy is blowing that one. So the bird's feather is flying off. Then key and nail cutter is there on the table. What does it shows? It shows this feather is lightweight. Then the key and nail cutter is heavier. So that only the lightweight is flying off. The more heavier weight is there on the table. Compare the weight of the objects that are placed on a table. See here, on the table some objects are kept. What are the objects? Notebooks, pencil, eraser, box. They kept on the table. Sharpener is lighter than the book. Sharpener is there, now we used to sharp the pencil. That sharpener is lightweight, weight illa, லேசா இருக்கு. The book is heavier weight, ரொம்ப weight ஜாஸ்தி. Then pencil box is heavier than the eraser. So pencil box is more weight than a eraser, rubber. Okay. Then from your school bag, light objects given below and answer the following question. See here, in page number 27, they have given tick the heavier object. Page number 27. Tick the heavier means weight on a பொருள். Heavier object. See here, one book is given. Okay, then a box is given. That pencil and all is there. Pencil, eraser, sharpener is there. So, which is heavier? Book only is heavier. Okay, the next one, second one, they have given the pictures. See here, they have given the pictures. Pick the heavier object. See here, book is given, box is given. Which is the heavier object? So put tick for the box. See here, blue color box is given. So put the tick. The same like the second one is given. Tick the lighter object. Box and eraser. Which one is lighter? Eraser only lighter object. So tick. Put tick here. See here. Tick the heavier object. லேசான பொருள் ஏதோ அதை நம்ம டிக் பண்ணோம். They have given the box. Okay, pencil is there, sharpener is there, then eraser is there. Okay, so this is eraser. Okay, so which is the lighter object? This is the lighter object. Then this one is box. This one is book. This one is box. Okay, so eraser is the lighter object. So come to the next page, children. See here, compare the weight of the object given below and order them from lightest to heaviest by giving the number as 1 to 3. Page number 28. See here, first one they have given watermelon. Watermelon, then banana, then guava. We are going to order. Okay, from lightest to heaviest, from 1 to 3. See which one is the lightest one? This is the lightest one. 1. Next one 2. Next one heavier. This is heavier. Okay, see here. Next one they have given vegetable, potato, then chow chow. See here, we are going to order. First one lighter weight is this one. The next one 2. The next one 3. The same like that you do the next 2, children. See here, write the number for that. Measuring weight using simple balance. Page number 29. 3.2. Measuring weight using simple balance. See here, Bharat and Kannagi buy grapes from two different food sellers from the roadside shop. One boy and one girl. Name is Bharat and Kannagi. They are going and getting the fruits. Two food sellers. Two of them are selling. So there are bunch of grapes. See here, they are putting the cloth and selling the bunch of grapes. See here. This side is more bunch of grapes. This side less number of grapes only is there. So I bought more grapes than you. What the Bharat is saying? நான் உன்னை விட நிறைய grapes நிறைய வாங்கியிருக்கேன்ட்டு. For that what she is saying? Come, let's weigh our fruits in a shop. Come, both of them can put a weight to one shop. See here. No, I have more than you. What Kannagi is saying? No, I have more than you. Kannagi is saying. See, mine is more than you. We need a standard tool to measure weight. இல்லை என்னுடைய grapes தான் நிறைய இருக்குது இங்கே பாருன்னு சொல்லிட்டு Bharat is saying. So, we need a standard measure. இப்போ 1 kg na, if I get 1 kg of rice means and another person get 1 kg of rice means same amount only it will be there. So, we need a standard measuring tool. For that, what tool we are using for weighing? Simple balance. Simple balance means what, children? நீங்கள் தராசு பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா கடைங்களில்? See here. Thread will be there in the middle. See here. This is the simple balance machine. Okay. We used to put here weight, 1 kg weight, and we put here some object, grapes, fruits, vegetables, like that we used to put. If 1 kg means 1 will be there, 2 kg weight means 2 kg will be there. Like that we used to measure the objects. See here. This is only a simple balance. Okay. Small things can be weighed using simple balance. This is called simple balance. For small things, for what to buy the vegetables, fruits, for that and all we can use simple balance. Okay. For bigger object means what? 25 kg rice, sugar, that and all big object. So we will weigh that one in, see here, weighing machine. In this weighing machine we used to measure the bigger items. See here, light and heavy. A simple balance has 2 pans. The simple balance is having 2 pans. See here, 1, 2. This is 2 pans. தராசுக்கு எப்பவுமே 2 பக்கம் இருக்கும். சரிங்களா? This is called simple balance. Okay, children. See here, heavy, light. See here, heavier things will come down. Okay, light weight will go up. See here, this one is heavy, this one is light. Heavy will come down, a lighter object will go up. See here, this apple is light weight. This grapes is heavy weight. So apple goes up and grapes come down. See here, 2 apples is there. Then some fruits is there. Both are equal. Equal means both are in same weight. ரெண்டுமே சரி சமமா இருக்கு. சரி, அதனால balance will be equal. The pan with heavier object comes down. இப்போ இந்த panல வந்து heavier weight போட்டோம்னா this pan will come down, this will go up. The pan with lighter weight goes up. இப்போ வந்து ஒரு panல வந்து light weight இருக்கா இந்த pan வந்து மேலே போய்டும். சரியா, ஹெவியா இருக்கிறது கீழே வந்துடும், லைட் வெயிட்டா இருக்கிறது மேலே போய்டும். சேம் மீன்ஸ் both will be equal. See here, 1 kg means 1 kg of fruit is there. So this both will be equal. See here, fill in the box with H and for heavy and L for light. You do this one, children. See here. If it is light weight means put L. Heavy means H. Heavy weight means it will come down. So you do these things, children. This both of them is homework for you. See here, match the object with a suitable balance that are used to measure the weight. See here, 3 types of weighing machine is given. One is simple balance. This one is also a digital weighing machine. This one weighing machine. Okay. In digital weighing machine, we can see the weight accurately. See here, simple balance, digital weighing machine and weighing machine. The things are given here. The objects are given. Which one will come for which you have to see here. See here, jaggery. We will measure in simple balance. Then next one, beads. Beads we can measure in digital balance. The next one, rice bag. Rice bag we will measure in weighing machine. For bigger object, what we used to use the machine. பெரிய பெரிய weight நம்ம எதில் எடை போடுவோம்? Weighing machine. See here, this one only bigger. This is simple balance, this is digital balance, this one is weighing machine. Fourth one is sugar bag. Sugar bag also we used to bigger object, no? So we used to put in weighing machine only. Then gold stud. Gold stud we used to put in digital balance. The next one, ilachi. Ilachi means ஏலக்காய். This is simple balance. 100 gram 200 gram weight நம்ம போடலாம். அது நம்ம தராசிலே போடலாம். This one we can see in small shops. This simple balance we can see in small shops. This one we used to weigh the gold, silver and beads. We can see in jewelry shop this weighing, this digital balance. This one in big shops, in மூட்டை மூட்டையா இருக்கும்ல, அரிசி குடோன் இல்லை, ரைஸ் குடோன், அப்புறம் சுகர் குடோன்ல எல்லாம் மூட்டைங்க நிறைய இருக்கும். அப்போ இதை வச்சு மெஷர் பண்ணுவாங்க. This is for small shop, this is for jewelry shop, this is for gudons. We can use this balance. Then next one they have given the activity. See here, you can take the 2 coconut shells and make a simple balance like this. One stick, thread, scale, eraser, pencil, crayons and all. By using these items, you can do this simple balance. Okay. Then you can put the balance. See here, marbles is given, crayons, eraser, toy. You can weigh this one by using the simple balance. Small things you can put weight. Then 3.3 is measuring capacity. Page number 32. Measuring capacity. For the solid items, we use the simple balance, digital balance and weighing machine. For liquid items, water, milk, oil, for that and all what we used to use? See here, some container we need. Liter, 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter நம்ம அளந்து ஊற்றுவோம் இல்லைங்களா, அந்த மாதிரி we need some container. இப்போ வந்து we can measure the water with glass. These vessels we can measure. For measuring the liquids, we need capacity. Okay, see here. Pick the container that contains more water. See, a water can is having 2 water cans are there. In that, one bottle is having less water, another is having more water. Water is full. So you pick which one is more water. See here, this water can is full. So you put your tick. Then can contains, this can is having less water, this can is having more water. Okay, so you tick this one. Okay. Then see here, water, water. Kamali and Kannan fetch 2 pots of drinking water from a tap. Observe the picture and say who will fetch more water. He is also having 2 containers. Kamali is also having 2 containers. See here, the man is having one bigger and one smaller. This lady is having, Kamali is having same weight. Okay, same capacity of water it can contain. See here. Then who will fetch more water? Kamali only will fetch more water. See here, he is having smaller one, so his water will be less. Capacity is the quantity that a vessel can hold within it. Capacity means what? One tumbler is there, in that water. This is called capacity. In the container evlo thanni pidikum. Okay. Here tumbler, jug, vessel and pot are some of the container used to hold water. See here, tumbler, jug, vessel, pot is there. These are the capacity that holds the water. Different in their size. To measure the capacity, a common measuring container is necessary. Here let us take some common measuring container as a tumbler. For measuring all these things, we need some standard measuring capacity. So they are taking tumbler, container we need. Container here they took tumbler as a container. See here, the tumbler can hold 2 tumbler of water. See here, this bigger tumbler can hold 2 tumbler of water. Then this jug can hold 5 tumbler. So this vessel can hold 10 tumblers. Okay, so this pot can hold 20 tumblers. See here, அழாக்குன்னு நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் இல்லைங்களா, நம்ம அளந்து போகிறதுக்கு அழாக்கு வச்சுருப்போம் இல்லைங்களா, லைக் தட் 100 ml 200 ml வச்சுருப்போம் நம்ம. See here, this bigger tumbler can hold 2 tumblers of water, this jug can hold 5 tumbler, this vessel can hold 10 tumbler, this pot can hold 20 tumblers. Capacity for measuring the liquid items. See here, collect the information about the measuring container from the elders and complete that table. Measuring container used by mother to measure milk, to measure rice. See here, mother, நீங்கள் இப்போ கேட்குற மதர் கிட்ட போய் என்ன டம்ளர் அவங்க யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க மெஷர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு? ஃபார் மில்க் அண்ட் ஃபார் ரைஸ். டு யர் கிராண்ட் மதர், டு யர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் மதர், டு யர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிராண்ட் மதர். ஓகே, then see here, practice they have given. Guess the capacity of given container in the terms of measuring vessel. Verify your guess by actual measuring it. See here, a flask is there for measuring vessel. Cup is given. Okay, so I am saying this cup will have this flask will contain 4 tumblers. Okay, will have the capacity. I am guessing and saying. If we actually measure means it take 5 tumbler also. I am guessing and saying it will take only 4 cups. So if we should measure, okay, you also do this measurements, children. Take a flask and see how many tumbler it can hold. Then you take a bucket and fill with mug. How many mug it takes to fill, or 10 or 20. Like that you guess capacity and you measure and see at home. See here, next page number 35. In page number 35, find the capacity. Given that one jug can hold 3 tumblers of water. See here, they have given a jug that can hold 3 tumbler. Okay. Then next one they have given 2 jug. Then 2 jug can hold how many tumblers? For 1 jug 3 tumbler. Then for 2 jug another 3 we need. So totally how many tumbler? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tumblers. Okay. See here. So you in this dash you draw 6 tumblers. See here. The jug, 1 jug can hold 3 tumblers. Then 2 jug can hold 6 tumblers. Then here 12 tumblers are there. So 12 tumblers can hold how many jug? See here. 6 tumblers they have given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then how many jugs? For 3, 1 jug, another 3, 1 jug. See here. For 3, 1 jug. For 3, 1 jug. For this 3, 1. For this 3, 1. 1, 2, 3. So totally 4 jugs. Okay. So you draw here. See here. Can fill 4 jugs of water. Four jugs of water. So find the capacity that 1 jug can hold 3 tumblers of water. So you draw here children. See here the dash is given here. In the dash you draw or write the number as 4 or 6 tumblers or 4 jugs. See here. Next one. We use different shaped container in daily life for various purpose. Have you ever thought the reason for it? Think. Complete the following table by putting a tick mark container that is operated for the given activity. See here the activity they have given, jug and bucket is given. See here. For bathing, what we used to use? For bath, we used to use bucket. For washing the hands, we can use jug. Then washing face, you can use jug. Then washing a lunch box, a bucket of water is need to wash the vessels. So brushing your teeth, one mug of water is enough. So you put your tick. Okay, this is activity for you. Okay children, by this we are finishing the unit 3 measurement. Okay children, thank you.